Well, I'm Thomas Patt, and I'm an orthopedic surgeon, a German orthopedic surgeon now practicing in the Netherlands. And over the years, after having worked in many different countries, I was lucky enough to meet Professor Gijos, and he invited me for a conference tomorrow. And it's an honor for me to be able to talk about the ESCA-ESMA program, which is on prevention of injuries, knee injuries in children and adolescents, which is my, let's say, medical hobby, and which is very important, and so that's going to be nice. I had the opportunity this morning to be at the OR with Professor Gijos. First of all, it was very nice to see the very nice, excellent, high-quality equipment that there is, the friendliness of everyone who's working here, and then technically to see Professor Gijos perform 2 ACL surgeries and compare that to the standards that I know from different countries, from the Middle East, from Switzerland, from the Netherlands, from Germany. And he's the top. He's excellent. He's extremely skilled. Lithuania, being part of the Baltic states, seems to be exotic, but actually I do like this country. People are extremely friendly, open, very well educated, speak, besides their own language, kind of fluent English, and it's a very modern country. And I think, especially in the digital part of Europe, I think you're way up front. So that's what I like. I've seen some countries in the world, but this is beyond my expectations. The country, as well as the quality of this clinic. You're offering here a complete service for the patient. So whenever the patient is at the right address here, everything will be taken care of. I can learn from this, many people can learn from this, and the international exchange is like learning from each other. So I learned some things today, and Professor Gijos learned some things today, and most of all, we had fun.